I will never panic about my HP printer's control panel again after learning this easy fix. If your printer's buttons aren't working, stay tuned. Help is here. First, let's do the simplest thing. Restart your printer. Turn it off, unplug it from the wall, and wait about 1 minute. Then, plug it back in, and turn it on. Sometimes, that's all it takes. If the panel is still not working, check for any stuck buttons or dirt on the screen. Wipe it gently with a soft, dry cloth. Next, make sure your printer's firmware is up to date. Go to the HP website, search for your printer model, and download any updates. This can fix bugs that cause control panel problems. If nothing has worked so far, try a full power reset. Unplug the printer, and while it's unplugged, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Then, reconnect and turn it back on. Still stuck? It might be a hardware issue. Call HP support or visit a certified repair center. Remember, most control panel problems are easy to fix at home, so before you panic or buy a new printer, try these steps first.